One of my goals coming back was, how do I utilize this space? And I was like, well, why don't I test menu items in here with a live audience? But you guys get to be first in line to kind of try it out and actually talk to me about it. This is why we call it the test kitchen. What you have in front of you is a modified version of a shrimp cocktail. It's a Key West pink shrimp. Hands down the best shrimp I've eaten in my career. Enjoy. This was how much more garnish can I put on a plate, apparently. So this is, in essence, fall to me. Scallops, butternut squash, andouille. There was fried sage, but I was like, that's enough. I'm not putting anything else on there. Enjoy.
Oh, phenomenal.
Awesome.
Best scallop in my life.
Second time I heard that today. How we doing?
Great.
This is my reason of using caviar. So you got a sturgeon from start to finish. You have roe and you have sturgeon. Pickled beet, sunchoke, caviar. Enjoy. So this is what I like to call the happy accident. So what we did was we took a little bit of harissa and butter and we sous vide them for about an hour and a half. A little saffron rice, which is basmati rice, and this awesome date and fig chutney to kind of bring it all together. Enjoy.
I was telling her, like, I've never had a rack of lamb that wasn't like chewy around the bone.
Oh yeah, it's that sous vide.
It's a sous vide.
That's incredible.
If you're not full, you will be. So this is a smoked Wagyu short rib that's been sous vide for 2 days. Literally, it's grits with mascarpone and some pretty killer collard greens. I have just a little bit of palate cleanser here. It's a mango and passion fruit sorbet, courtesy of Burnt Steakhouse. For your last course here, texturally, it's pretty awesome for being a flourless brownie. A little white chocolate ice cream, a little blood orange that's been macerated with Cointreau, and a little bit of Grand Marnier. Yeah, I just want to thank everybody for coming. This was kind of my first gig doing something like this. The scallop, I got a lot of comments on, which I was just like, that to me was a no-brainer because I've done it before. This was the fun part for us. Thanks for being a part of it.